Are you getting the fail to extract resources needed by IL2CPP error while opening Mobile Legends on Android? This error usually happens because of corrupted game files, lack of storage permission, or insufficient free space on your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your phone and check free storage. Most of the time, this error happens due to temporary system glitches. First, restart your Android phone. After restarting, go to Settings. Search and open your storage settings. Make sure you have at least 5 to 6 GB of free space. If storage is low, delete unnecessary files or apps. Then open Mobile Legends again and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Allow permission for Mobile Legends. Tap and hold the Mobile Legends app on your app gallery. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Tap Permissions. Make sure any kind of storage permission is allowed here. For example, photos and videos. If it was denied before, enabling it will allow the game to extract required resources properly. After that, go back to App Info. Now tap on Mobile Data. If you use mobile data to play games, make sure Allow Background Data Usage is turned on. After that, go back to App Info again and tap on Battery. Make sure it's set to Unrestricted. Then go back again. Now tap on Change System Settings. Allow permission for this as well. Now restart MLBB again and check your issue. If the problem persists, you can try the last solution. Solution 3. Update MLBB. Open your Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends. If you find any updates for this app, make sure to update it. If you can't find any updates, the problem may be with the app itself. So, uninstall MLBB completely and reinstall it. That will fix your problem for sure. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes, and comment which solution worked for you. See you in the next one.